A local attorney is fighting to change the name of Roanoke's Poff Federal Building to honor a local civil rights leader. Currently, the building is named after Congressman and State Supreme Court Justice Richard H. Poff. Many want Poff's name removed because he was opposed to integration and voted against the Civil Rights Act. WFXR's Zoe Mowry has the update on that push.
For 2 years, local attorney John Fishwick Jr. and Reverend Edward Burton have been trying to change the name of the Poff Federal Building behind me. And they want to change it to honor the life of Reuben Lawson. And they're going national to do just that. Reuben Lawson was born in Danville and moved to Roanoke, where he practiced law in the 1940s. He was an integral piece of desegregating Roanoke in the 50s and 60s.
I also knew, wow, that's really impressive, late 50s, early 60s, to be making these arguments, an African-American lawyer. And I was super impressed with him and with his, his talent and with his personality.
Fishwick then reached out to Reverend Burton. Burton worked with Lawson in Roanoke's NAACP chapter. Burton said Lawson worked hard as he continued the fight for civil rights, even as he had to fight a life-threatening heart condition.
He was so determined to do this work that he would meet with us, lay on his cot and let us wait for him, and then come back.
Backed by Virginia Senators Mark Warner and Tim Kaine, the U.S. Senate has already unanimously approved the change. And now it has to get through the House of Representatives.
We've had a number of meetings with Congressman Cline, and at our last meeting with him, he told us that he has cleared the bill, which means that Speaker Mike Johnson has now the opportunity to present that bill to the entire House of Representatives.
And if the bill passes there, it heads to the president's desk to become law. And if it does, Reverend Burton can't wait to step foot in a building that would honor his friend.
I think I'm going to just find a reason to go down there to just visit the building because of the name being changed, and I think rightfully so.
Now, Fishwick told me they hope to get this law passed in November and have the building's name changed quickly after that. For now, in downtown Roanoke, Zoe Mowry, WFXR News.